before in your EVS class, as nowadays you are having your PT1 exam. So this is your revision class. That day I have revised the activity book, and today I will revise the textbook, whatever the short questions are given here, as because we know all the questions, it will come from your textbook as well as from the activity book, but these all will be in the MCQ form. Okay, so we will revise the question, short questions. So in that way you will revise the question and you will go through your chapter. So first one is questions are given here. How is the bridge different from the bamboo bridge? So the bamboo bridge semi-pakka, it is not so strong, and but the cemented bridge or the cement bridge is very much strong. And there is a trolley. What things are there which we crosses where the bridge over water road between two mountains or somewhere else. So it is your question, you will write your own, because whatever the bridge, it may be joining two roads, it may be joining two water bodies, or it may be joining over the railway track. So you will write your own. Next one is, some part of Kerala we use a dash to reach school. So what it should be, there may be some options will be there. It should be water boat, ferry, or Vellam. So in Kerala, Vellam is the name of the water transport by which the students carry on. Now next, have you seen any other kind of boat? Yes, we have seen so many kinds of boats. Their name are maybe vessel, craft, watercraft, shikara, Vellam, keel, and then ship and steamer. So there are so many other names of the water transport you can write. Okay. Now next one is, can you think of other way by which we can travel on the water? Yes, we can travel by water by dighi or canoe or kayak. It is a jet boat which moves on a little bit deep river or somewhere in a large water body. Okay. Next, have you ever sat in a camel cart? What is your experience? So we have to wear, and what we have to wear, how you can help someone else. So in the camel cart, it is a very difficult ride because its movement is just jerky. So we should have to wear a ride, because it is a very scorchy and rough type of ride. So we have to wear the cotton clothes and smooth clothes. Okay, how did you feel riding in the cart? Also share your experience. It's riding in a cart is very unstable type of riding, because our whole body moves to and far, and sometimes we move forward and sometimes on our back. Since we have to be either at a angle or top of the hump, the ride itself is a very bumpy. So sometimes we feel very uncomfortable. So we have to be very careful on this type of writing. But this is my own experience. You can write your own. Okay. Now next one is, in the plain side of the village or somewhere. If the geographical region is plain, that means it is not a hilly area, it's not a coastline area, or it is not a sandy area. So what kind of things in the remote area they use for going to school? It should be a bullock cart or any kind of cart, maybe a camel, maybe a bullock cart, maybe a cow cart, maybe any kind of cart they generally use. But nowadays cycle and rickshaws are also prevail. Okay. Now next one is, do you have bullock carts? Have you lived? So where you live? So if you are living in a Vardhman town, then maybe you didn't see the bullock cart or you are not riding on it. But nearby the villages, you maybe you have seen the bullock cart. Now what kind of the wheels do they have? So bullock carts have generally large wooden wheels, and they are rimmed by iron sheet. Okay. Now next one is, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? So maybe some of your elder person, maybe your dada, didi, or elder brother, sister, or father, they have taught you how to ride the cycle. So how many children come on bicycle to your school? It is a you cannot count like this, so you will write many of them. Okay. Now do you have such vehicles in your area? They have shown a typical type of vehicle which is actually a local vehicle. Everywhere in our local area, some kinds of vehicles are very famous. They are brought to in use. So there are few kinds of the vehicles are there. So it is a special kind and it moves in the Gujarat. So what kind of vehicle it is? Its name is Jugat. Okay. Do you have such vehicles in our area? Yes. We have also seen the lower portion, or you can say the posterior part of the vehicle is just a car type shape, and the anterior part is just a part of motorcycle or some kind of engine is being fit there. So these type of vehicles we have seen in the use in our area. Now would you like to ride in something like this, and why? Yes, we will like to ride in this type of vehicle because it is a different type of experience, and every time we love to have some different experience in our life. Now what is Jugat? Jugat is a typical type of vehicle. Actually its interior part is made up of interior part of the motorcycle, and the last part or the carriage part is actually made up of carrying, or the carriage part is just a box like system, and the four wheels are being attached there. So it is actually joining or assembling of two kinds of vehicles, or the waste part of the two vehicles, they join together to make this kind of vehicle. That's why its name is Jugat. Jugat means joining together. Okay, so they have been Jugat, or it is called Jugat because the waste material or the waste part of the two vehicles are assembled and form this kind of vehicle. Now, can you think of place where none of these vehicle can reach? Yes, there are such places are there. We know in the snowy area, in a dense jungle, these kind of vehicles cannot move. And now, right, have you ever been in a thick jungle or in such places? So you will write, maybe you are not living in the jungle area, but sometimes you just go for visiting such places, no? So you can write your experience there. Now, do you face difficulties on the way to your school? If you feel difficulty, then you will write yes. If you don't have any difficulty, then don't write yes, then you will write no. Okay. Now, which is the best month in which you go to school and why? I think it is a winter season, or some people think that it is a summer season, because in that time we don't feel like to be very cold, and we love to go to school. And in spring season it is more pleasant, because that time it is not too cold, and neither it is cold and nor it is too hot. So it is a best season for going to school. Okay, so that's all for the day. We have explained, and I have actually revised through the text. We have revised all the question. There are some big questions, but there are some small kind of question, but you go through the chapter thoroughly, because maybe somewhere you will get the statement and you have to give the answer. You will get 3 or 4 alternatives to give your answers. Okay, so thanks for the day, and thanks for revising the chapter, and have a nice day. Thank you.